Yay! Something was delivered today. I guess I know what is it. It was delivered by the FedEx guy, and something long and 2 pieces. What is it? Here it is. What is? Careful, baby. You're back. Ooh. 1 and 2. There you go. And Bella's excited too. What is it, Bella?
Oh, no.
What is it? Uh-oh. Da-da-da. We've been expecting this. It was supposed to be delivered. When was that? Maybe Friday? Friday. Couple days late, but it's okay. Oh, show it to me. Yes. Oh my. It's a spider sled. It's a heavy-duty one. How heavy is it? Oh wow, nice. Nice. It's very hard styrofoam. You have, you know, it got a thing to pull. And even Aiden, the kids can pull that easy, huh? Looks like the red one is heavier.
It looks like the bottom is like plastic kind of.
Huh? Oh wow!
Right?
Like it's like what do you call that?
Hard plastic.
Hard plastic or?
Cool.
Wow! Very nice. Very nice. Oh, nice. I love it. Made it just in time for the snowstorm. Oh my! Yes.
Pull up
Very
the hill,
nice.
right?
Very nice.
2 people can sit one here.
Very nice and very nice.
Them, right?
Yeah, very nice price too.
Yeah.
It's like $99 a piece. Oh, for a sled.
Okay.
And the other one.
You say this current work for our no-till garden.
Oh yeah, for our no-till garden. You're learning. I might want some tilling a little bit too.
Huh?
For no-till gardening, yeah. Mark said save this one for Whoa! I love it. Oh my.
Sweet.
Wow. Black and white.
No, black and red.
Black and red.
And
No,
white.
this one is
It's
black and
white.
white. Yeah. Oh, I love it. I can't wait. So you can have 2.
Yeah. Yeah, so 4 people.
2. Oh wow, that is big. That is big. Carla, look.
Sweet.
Wow. Hey, you're so pretty. I love it. We've been waiting for this.
Huh?
We've been waiting for this. It's a couple days late.
Yeah.
So hold on.
Nice handles though.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, what are you doing? You're back. Careful, your back, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh God, I'm scared doing it like that. I'll sit. I'll sit. Yeah, better sitting. There you go. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Well, of course you sit right here, right?
Yeah.
You grab right there.
Yeah.
Just up here, you probably gotta go like this. Yeah.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. It's
cool.
that is so cool.
Yeah, they're kind of soft. It's a little,
Yeah.
it's a little cushy.
It's lightweight.
Yeah, lightweight.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Is it like, what do you call that plastic? Hard plastic, baby?
Yeah.
There's something that you call it.
Yeah, it's like a hard plastic.
Glass, whatever. Yeah. Fiberglass? You think?
Oh, I don't know. It's like a hard, yeah.
Very nice.
Cool.
Yep. Thank you, Papa. So that was a little video. Oh, also want to share to you guys my Portos cheese roll and a little bit of dulce de leche and potato rolls. This got meat inside. This was from my sister, given by a friend from California, Eileen. Thank you, Eileen. And they are so good. Yeah, they're a known bakery, or they deliver pastries frozen, and you just have to bake, which works really good with this pandemic season. I mean, this pandemic thing, because you can't be going anywhere, so those pastries being delivered makes it like convenient. You just have to bake it on your own, and you can keep it in the freezer for a long time. So they arrive frozen, nicely packed. So they are really good. It's my first time trying them from a friend, my sister's friend, and from California. And yeah, she shared some to us. So that's what sisters are for. So thank you guys for watching. It's snowing really hard outside. We have a storm, and we're expecting to have like 9 inches today. Sorry, it's blurry. So yeah, please watch, click like, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. So Aiden, what do you see? Hello? What do you see? Oh my goodness! Oh, careful! Where are you? There's Aiden! It's taller than you. Look! There you go. Aiden is so happy to see the sled. Yeah. Wow, you like it? You like it, baby? Oh my goodness. Wow. Ain't that cool? Huh?
Yeah.
What do you say, Papa?
Thank you, Papa.
What is that?
Thank you, Papa.
Oh.
Grandma,
Yeah.
what? I
But-
wanna get this one.
Yeah.
This one's cool. Let me
You
see.
share.
Let
Look.
me see.
I know. Come here.
Oh my god!
What?
Oh my gosh! What is that? That's calling you.
It is cool. What color is it, Lincoln?
What the heck? This one's mine.
What color is this? What color is this? What color is that?
What is this?
Yeah, it's the sled. What color is that? Lincoln, I'm asking, what color is it?
Red.
Red. Very good. You like it? Oh, you'll share with Makai and Mema.
No, it's a kind. Hey,
Huh?
Mom, it's a kind.
Yeah, Makai. Yeah, you'll share with Makai.
Makai stays in the.
Yeah,
I'll stay in the back, and then Makai will stay in the front.
I know it.
So I'm
And maybe Mema will ride with you.
right here in the middle.
Yeah, and Papa, and Tita Sa, and Mama,
Is he going
and
to
Dada, huh?
What?
And Dada too. Yeah,
Tanya?
Dada.
Oh, for Tanya.
Oh yeah, Tanya too. Yeah. And Tita Sa.
That's a wait. There's a lot of people go over here, like in here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Mama, Kia, come on here.
Huh?
Kia, come on here.
Oh no. Are you excited?
Yeah, come on.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Wait, let's make it like a train.
Huh?
Let's make it like a.
No, that's not a train.
No, like this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, what do you tell my subscribers? My subscribers. You say it here.
Get subscribe in this channel.
Please click like.
Please click like and subscribe in this channel.
Oh, thank you.
And now,
Oh, you too. You say please click like.
boy, my channel's Spider-Man.
Subscribe.
It's going to channels.
Okay, thank you guys. That was a short video for, the kids love the new sleds. They haven't seen it yet. This is the first time they saw it and they were just so excited. It's a really nice one. The ones we were using were the small and round ones, and this one is really cool, as you can see. So yeah, it's a spider brand. So thank you guys. Please click like, share, and please do subscribe. I'll have some more videos. I'll try my best to have some cool, more family related videos that will be fun. So thank you. You guys be safe, stay well, and God bless everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.